Happy birthday, it's your time. We're here to sing and feel the shine. Blow the candles, make a wish. Your day is here, it's your gift. Happy birthday, clap your hands. Happy birthday, take a stand. Happy birthday, dance around. Happy birthday, hear the sound. Happy birthday, let's all shout. Happy birthday, no doubt. Happy birthday, let's cheer. Happy birthday, your day is here. Another year, another smile. Let's celebrate in style. The cake is sweet, the joy is real. Happy birthday, that's the deal. Happy birthday, clap your hands. Happy birthday, take a stand. Happy birthday, dance around. Happy birthday, hear the sound. Happy birthday, let's all.
Hey, what's up mga ka-vendor? Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog. So ngayon, nakapag-vlog tayo, no? Tagal ko hindi nakapag-vlog mga ka-vendor. So, siyempre birthday ng mami ko. Yun, hindi ko malilimutan yun. Mami, happy birthday. Yun, wish ko kay Lord, bigyan pa naman ng kalusugan. Ayan. More blessed. Basta yun lang mami. Thankful ako kay God dahil yun dumating. Kaya yun, asahan mo nandito si daddy. Sobra kitang mamahalin. Yung ngayon sinasabi sa daming fault, sa daming mali. Pero hindi ko hiniling pero dumating. Yun lang. Mahal na mahal ka ng daddy. Alam mo yun kung ano kita kalab. So, happy birthday. Yeah, enjoy your day. Salamat dahil nandiyan ka. Salamat din sa pagmamahal ng sobra dahil na nandito ako sa'yo hanggang dulo. Mahal na mahal ng daddy. Yun lang, happy birthday mami. Enjoy your day. I love you.